Hello guys, welcome to this channel. So this is the second video of the Finacle Learning series. In the first video, we had learned about the Finacle introduction. Now in this video, we are going to cover the basic feature of Finacle core banking solution. There are many features of Finacle core banking solution, and below are some of the important features that we are going to talk about. So the first feature is real-time processing. Now, what do you mean by real-time processing? So real-time processing is nothing but any transaction, whether it's a financial or non-financial, should be processed in the real time without any delay or discrepancies. Okay. So Finacle CBS processes all the transaction in a real time, whether it is initiated from CBS itself or from any digital banking channel like internet banking or mobile banking. Now coming to the second feature, security. This is the very important feature of any application. So many application security parameters are taken care in Finacle, like role and access management for the users who are logging into Finacle. Maker checker concepts are also there in the Finacle if any modification happens in Finacle operations. So maker and checker concepts should be performed. Network level securities are also taken care in the Finacle application. Okay. So now the third feature is multi-capabilities. So now what do you mean by multi-capabilities? So this feature of Finacle CBS indicates that Finacle support multiple time zones, multiple languages, multiple currencies during the operation. In Finacle, since Finacle is widely used by banks of many countries, so this feature enable banks to perform their operations seamlessly without any problems. Okay, so now we are going to see some of the images of Finacle so that you will have a some basic idea what Finacle application is and how it looks like. Okay, so let us talk about some of the Finacle screens or images that we have. Okay, so this is the first image which shows the login related information or login page of the Finacle. Okay. So whenever user is trying to access any Finacle URL, so this page will come up, okay, where user will enter his user ID and password and he will log into the Finacle application. So once user is successfully validated or authenticated, user will be redirected to the new page. Okay, so this is the new screen that will come up, okay, after the successful login. So as you can see here, login related informations are maintained for the particular user. You can see last login time, last logout time, account expiry date, machine IP, all this information for the particular user will be maintained over here. Apart from this, on the top you can see there is a solution component. Under solution there are different modules of the Finacle. Okay, as you can see there is a CRM, FinCore, signature module, SSO admin, all these different modules are there. Okay, so user can click on any of the modules and user can access those modules using the same credentials through which user has logged in the Finacle. Okay, since Finacle is a single sign-on application, so user can log into different modules using the same credentials. Okay, now moving to the third image. Suppose if user has clicked on the FinCore application or FinCore module, so this particular screen will come up, okay, wherein it will show you that user can put the menu option over here and user can try to access that menu option. So at the left hand side, as you can see, there are by default Finacle populates some of the important menu options. Okay, these are some of the standard menu option in the Finacle, which user can directly access it by clicking on these menu options. Okay, if not, user can mention the menu option separately in this menu search bar. Okay, and user will click on this go button and that menu option or menu screen will come up. Okay, so suppose I have put one menu option that is called HTM, that is nothing but the transaction maintenance menu option. It is the major standard menu option of the Finacle, which is being used for the transaction, for performing the transactions. Okay, so in the next image, as you can see, this is the STM menu option screen. Okay, we can put the STM menu option in this particular search bar, and when we click on go, this particular transaction maintenance screen will come. Okay, so this is the transaction maintenance criteria page, wherein user can put different parameters basis on which user can perform the transaction for a particular customer. Okay, so I hope you have received a basic Finacle knowledge because of this video. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Please press the bell icon to get more updates on the latest technology and the enterprise software. You can also post your comments on the videos that we are posting. We are happy to help you out. Thank you.